No rice when Pongal in 5 minutes. To make this recipe, you will need 1 cup steamed mashed cauliflower, half cup cooked moong dal, ghee, cumin seeds, fresh coconut milk, green chilies, black pepper powder, cumin powder, salt, cashew nuts. Pressure cook the moong dal in water until it's cooked well. Allow it to cool completely. Then mash it into a smooth paste. Steam the cauliflower until soft and mash it to a rice-like consistency. Combine mashed cauliflower with cooked moong dal and mix well. Heat butter or ghee in a pan and add chopped cashew nuts. Add cumin seeds, black pepper, ginger and curry leaves. Saute until fragrant. Add the cauliflower dal mixture. Season with salt, black pepper powder and mix thoroughly. Cook on low heat for 3 to 5 minutes until well combined. Turn off the heat and stir in coconut milk for a rich low-carb pongal. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.